Hi everybody, nice to see you. It's Monday night. Tonight I wanted to teach you how to make salmon simply. I made the mashed cauliflower for you all the other day, and then I showed a picture with the salmon on top. So tonight I wanted to show you how I made the salmon. So I have some really nice, beautiful, fresh, wild-caught sockeye salmon fillets. And I put them in a cookie sheet. It just happens to be round. And I have parchment paper on here, and this is a great tip. Put parchment paper on your pan, and then you just throw it away after. No washing, anything. It just really makes it simple. I'm going to try to set up my camera here for you all. And then all you're going to do is, I have a lemon. I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to put some lemon juice on top. Okay? And the lemon juice adds a little flavor, and it kind of breaks down the salmon as well, so it makes it a little more tender. That's what I was trying to say. So that's good enough there. I have some Himalayan sea salt, so I take a pinch and put it on each piece. You always want to season your protein, salt and pepper. Put them on, don't be afraid. So just a little sea salt. And then some fresh ground pepper. I have my oven heated up right now to 350 on convect. You could do it on regular bake as well, but I have it on convect. And then I have some pesto that's already made from Costco, made up. So I'm going to take about maybe a tablespoon, kind of a big spoon. I'll try to show this to you. So we're going to take it and put it on each piece. So far, I have a feeling you all can do this. Not hard, right? So you got your pesto, and I happen to absolutely love pesto. So this really works for me. I could do pesto on everything and be a happy girl. So, little pesto, okay? And then the really fun thing about this at this point, which makes it really kind of over the top and fun for company, is you take a little goat cheese. And again, I have my goat cheese from Costco. And I'm just going to take my same spoon that I had, and I'm going to take little pieces of it and put it on the top. The goat cheese has a great flavor, and it kind of melts. So when you cook it, it'll melt on top. Now, I like to get in with my fingers, so don't be afraid to use your fingers. I always say God gave us our fingers before He gave us spoons, right? So use your fingers, don't be afraid. And then you can put it to your preference. If you like a lot of goat cheese on top, put a lot. If you're not quite sure about it, put a little. If you like feta cheese, you can use that. I'd say any kind of basically melty kind of cheese. I'm just going to rinse my fingers real quick. And then I'm going to show you this. So here we go. So there it is. It's ready to cook. It took me about less than a couple minutes. You can let it sit while your oven heats up. Bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. The fat of the salmon will come to the top, and you'll be able to see, and if you take a fork and flake it, you'll be able to see that it's done. Make some quinoa on the side. Put it on your cauliflower mash, whatever you like to do. I'm here for you, health coaching. If you have any questions, message me. I love to hear your comments. Have a great night.